Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I'm really excited to give you a tour around this Volkswagen approved used Golf R, which is the 2-litre petrol automatic, 300 PS 4Motion finished in an Indium Grey metallic paint. This vehicle has had 2 previous owners from new and does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty. So if you'd like to find out more information about this car, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So we'll be giving you a 360-degree walk around, and then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features. So firstly, we have your LED headlights with your dynamic curve lighting, as well as your LED daytime running lights, really brightening the roads ahead. We have these incredible 19-inch Pretoria black alloy wheels, which are an option, making the car look really sporty. We have your gloss black door mirrors, which are also an option. These are remote folding, providing additional safety for your car parked down narrow streets. We have rear tinted glass, again making the car look really sporting. So showing you your first glance inside, we have your race cloth upholstery featuring the Alcantara, with a comfortable space available for your rear passengers, with the centre seat also acting as an armrest for additional comfort with 2 cup holders. Making my way to the back, a great benefit is your upgraded twin exhaust to further enhance your experience, as well as your rear parking camera to help keep your new car nice and safe. Then taking a look inside the boot space, where as you can see we do have a really good space available considering the size. We do have your variable floor so you can increase the boot capacity. You can also fold down the rear seats. And the current mileage is 19,189 miles. And taking a glance inside, we agreed with your leather multifunction steering wheel, followed by your front heated seats to keep you and your front passenger cosy and comfortable during all weather conditions. These are also embossed, and then we have another fantastic feature, which is your panoramic sunroof, which is also an option, really brightening up the interior and further enhancing your driving experience. So that concludes the first part of the video. So in the next part I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside, pressing your foot on the brake and using your start and stop function, you can hear the car come to life. So in the driver's door you find your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments, as well as your central locking, and then we do have your automatic lights to the right of the wheel, which is a great option to have if you're someone who ever forgets to turn them on. And then moving on to your embossed multifunction steering wheel. So here we can access features without moving our hands. This does include the adaptive cruise control with your speed limiter. So this is great for them long stretches on the motorway. Then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customise what you want to see in your active information display screen. This is where you find all your important driver information and settings. As you can see, you can have your satellite navigation displayed directly in front of you. This will help to keep you focused directly ahead to help create a safer driving environment. And then moving over to the centre, so here we have the infotainment system. So here we can access all the car's different functions. So going into your radio, you'll see we do have your DAB, FM and AM radio available from N-assisted stations that you can save to your favourite preset lists. Or we do also have your Bluetooth, so you can make hands-free calls on the move. And then we do have your satellite navigation, so we are equipped with a 3D map to help you plan your routes, as well as providing you with the quickest one. Or you can pair your phone to the car to stream your own maps to help you plan your routes for the Apple CarPlay, as well as streaming your music, contacts and messages. Then we do also have your rear parking camera, as well as the additional support from your parking sensors front and rear. This will help you with parking and manoeuvring in those tighter spaces. Another great feature on this car is your driving mode selection. So you do have your 4 preset options to choose your driving style, which will further enhance your driving experience. And then we do also have your 2-zone climate control, offering you and your front passenger individual airflow to keep you both comfortable. Then here we can access your 3-point front heated seating. So this will keep you nice and cozy in the current months. Just below you'll find a USB port to charge immediate devices on the move. Then we've got your keyless start. This car is also automatic. Then we do also have your electronic park brake with auto hold for additional ease for the driver, followed by a 12-volt socket, a couple of handy cup holders and some additional storage under your armrest. And then finally giving you another quick highlight on your panoramic sunroof. This is the perfect addition for the warmer weather. So using the controls above, we can easily operate the roof. And then when the sun glare gets that bit too much, we do have your roller blind on there as well. So thank you for watching this video in this Volkswagen approved used Golf R, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.